Hey Julie, I've been thinking a lot about whether I should pursue a career in software engineering, but I'm not sure if it's the right fit for me. There's so much information out there. What are the real pros and cons?
That's a great question, Paul. Software engineering can be a rewarding career, but it's important to consider both the positives and the challenges before diving in. Let's break it down.
Sounds good. Let's start with the pros. What makes software engineering an attractive career?
One of the biggest pros is the high demand for software engineers. The tech industry is booming, and there's a consistent need for skilled developers, which means job security and plenty of opportunities to grow your career.
Job security is definitely a big plus. What else is appealing about this field?
Another major benefit is the earning potential. Software engineers tend to earn competitive salaries, especially as they gain experience and specialize in certain areas. Plus, there are opportunities for bonuses, stock options, and other perks in tech companies.
That's definitely motivating. What about the work itself? Is it satisfying?
For many, yes. If you enjoy problem solving and creating things, software engineering can be incredibly fulfilling. You get to build products that people use every day, and there's a real sense of accomplishment when you solve complex challenges.
That sounds great. But what about the cons? What should I be aware of?
One of the main challenges is the constant learning required. Technology evolves rapidly, so you'll need to keep up with new programming languages, frameworks, and tools. It can be overwhelming if you're not prepared for it.
I've heard that the pace of change can be intense. What else should I consider?
Another potential downside is the demanding workload. Deadlines can be tight, and there are times when you might need to work long hours, especially during crunch periods or when a project is nearing completion.
I can see how that could be stressful. Anything else I should think about?
Finally, while teamwork is common, software engineering can also be isolating at times. You might spend long hours in front of a computer, and not everyone enjoys that kind of solitary work. It's something to consider if you thrive on social interaction.
That's a lot to think about. It sounds like software engineering has great potential, but it's not without its challenges.
Exactly. It's all about weighing the pros and cons and deciding if the benefits align with your personal goals and strengths. If you're passionate about technology and ready for the challenges, it could be a great fit.
Thanks, Julie. I really appreciate the insight. I think I have a better understanding now of what to expect.
You're welcome, Paul. Take your time to reflect on it, and if you decide to go for it, remember that the challenges can lead to a very rewarding career.